Malawi Brief.
Nduna ya zamasewero chikhalidwe ndi achinyamata Alfred Gangata alankhula lero mu nyumba ya malamulo pamene amayankha mafunso ena kuchokera kwa mamembala anzawo. Iwowa anabweretsa mulalo m'nyumbayi pamene anthu anali ndi chimwemwe komanso osangalala poona ndunayi itayima nkulankhula.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to present the paper standing in my order, standing in my name under item 3C31, 3C32, 3C3. I beg to move.
Sergeant at Arms. Honorable Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture, do you wish to speak to your papers?
No, I will refer to the relevant committee, Legal Affairs.
Thank you. Other members, we have a motion. The motion is that the papers presented by the Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture be referred to Committee of Legal Affairs. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. Point of order, Chikwawa West.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I wanted to propose that maybe the Minister can also refer this to the Committee on Media, considering that it's talking about media issues, on digital issues. Maybe that can also be referred to the Media Committee. I submit, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Chikwawa West. I don't think the Minister would have a problem with that. The Minister, is that in order? Please switch on your mic so we hear your voice.
It's in order.
It is a House of Records. I wanted that, yes, to be captured. So, indeed, it will be referred to Legal Affairs and Media. Thank you, Chikwawa West. There's a casino, another point of order?
Right Honorable Speaker, my first point of order has been talked by Chikwawa West. But is it in order that the Vice President of the party from Deja has just given his maiden speech in this House, and his counterparts, the Vice Presidents from the North, from the South and Eastern, they couldn't rise up and clap hands for their fellow Vice President of a party. Is it in order?
the Zamayani, point of order.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, sir, I just wanted to bring to your attention and to ask for your guidance. The Ministry of Sports and Youth, it is the Committee on Social and Community Affairs that is directly linked to that ministry, according to the orders of this House. So I just wanted your guidance, according to how you have provided the information that these issues will be now handled by the Legal Affairs Committee and the Committee on Information. So I just wanted your guidance, because that's not the way we conduct issues with this parent ministry as a committee. Thank you. Thank you, Chair.
I think the reports will be sent to relevant committees, and your committee is indeed relevant, and I'm also sure that the minister won't have an issue with that, and that is in order. Thank you. There's a casino. Your point of order was ruled out. Stop bringing games in the house. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. Salima North, are you? Yes?
Mr. Speaker, thank you for recognizing the people of Salima North. While you have not left from the Ministry of Youth, I'm wondering, Mr. Speaker, we haven't been answered so many questions we have presented to you following the Ministry of Youth. Is it there is any problem, or you haven't gone through them? Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, leader.
Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that the order paper be varied in order for us to invite you to move to supplementary order paper, and we tackle questions from ministers for oral replies. I beg to move.
Honour members, we have a motion as read by the leader of the House that we vary the order paper for us to go to the supplementary order paper and tackle questions to ministers for oral replies. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried.
Supplementary order paper, general business, item B, questions to ministers for oral replies.
Thank you. We'll start with leader, guide.
Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that the order paper be further varied in order for us to tackle questions under Ministry of Youth, Sports and Culture. I beg to move.
Honour members, we have a motion as read by the leader of the House that we vary the order paper in order for us to tackle questions to Ministry of Youth, Sports and Culture, which are appearing in today's order paper, starting with question 117 117 coming from Machinga Likwenu. Machinga Likwenu, are you in the house? Machinga Likwenu, I take it is not in the house. We now move to question 118 coming from the people of Rumpi East. Rumpi East. The minister is ready to respond. And the question owners are not here. Eh? The minister has come with power and we are not giving him what he wants. Okay, let's move to question 160 coming from Blanta Site Michiru Chirimba. Are you? Yes, Honorable. Please confirm the question. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I stand here to confirm that indeed the question on today's order paper comes from the people of Blanta City, Chirimba, Michiru constituency, especially from Group Village Headman Indara, Village Headman Suya, Mwachande, Mtambasare, Kwajera, and Chata. I confirm.
Thank you. Thank you, Blanta Site Michiru Chirimba, Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Through you, may I thank the honorable member for Blanta City Michiru Chirimba for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to inform the honorable member that my ministry involved some of its functions to the district city councils, including improvement of sports infrastructure in all areas. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, sir, the current government administration is encouraging devolution of all local projects to the local level. With this policy shift, improvement of sports infrastructure in rural areas will be effectively addressed at the district level. I therefore request the honourable member to raise with the Blanta State Council to develop plans for improvement of sports infrastructure in the rural areas using funds from the District Development Fund, DDF, Local Development Fund, LDF, or Constituency Development Fund, CDF. Let me also take this opportunity to advise all honorable members to follow the same approach in their respective constituencies. My minister will always be available to provide the necessary technical support through our Blanta State Sports Office. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Youth. Thank you. I see Zimbasau. Supplementary.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, for giving the people of Mzimba South to ask a supplementary question to the able Minister of Sports. My question is a policy question regarding the sporting facilities that the Minister of Sports has highlighted. Due to the fact that we have different football teams, like in our side, we have Jenda, Luviri, Embangweni, Moyale Barracks. All these football teams goes to Lumpi to find a sporting facility called a stadium. And I understand it was DPP government which came up with the to have some stadiums in the district. So I wanted to find out from the Minister of Sports as to when can we have the Mzimba Stadium opened. It is already at 95% completion. So I wanted to ask my brother, he's also sponsoring Masters Sports Football Club. I'm also sponsoring some football club in the north. So I wanted to find out if maybe we can cooperate so that at least we can have the stadium open at Mberwa district. It will really help us as young people to have that sporting facility. Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, for granting me this audience to ask the Minister of Sports. Thank you.
Thank you, Mzimba South. I thought you'd start by extending an invitation to the Minister of Sports to come and visit the stadium. I don't think he has been there, because that stadium needs to be completed. It needs to be opened. It's been a long time. Let me take Karonga Lufiria. You have the floor.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for granting the floor to the people of Kalongalophilia. First, before I say something to the Minister of Sports, I just wanted to congratulate him for the passion he has in sports. The Minister has really shown that he has the passion in sports. He's really doing well in sports, Last Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, I just wanted to remind him that the Kalonga Stadium, since it was open, it hasn't have those full standing, sitting in the stadium. Last Honorable Speaker, the stadium in Kalonga, it is incomplete since today. And the way Kalonga it is a sports district, as the Minister also is aware of. So I just wanted also to take him into page that the stadium is incomplete, and I ask your ministry to at least consider Kalonga Stadium into a completion. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Thank you. My last one will be from Lilongwe Site Kampuno. You have the floor, Honorable.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, recognizing the beautiful people of Lilongwe City, Kampuno. Supplementary question to our beloved Minister, who is also happened to be my neighbor of Lilongwe City and Tandile constituency. Due to the incident which happened today in Lilongwe City, Kampuno, we have heard on social media that we had fights with the guys in Lilongwe City, Kampuno at the depot. Akuta nyamaro jia mamenyera na migodi. So I know that is happening because of kusoa zochita chinyamata. So I would like to ask the Honorable Minister of Sports to help us Lilongwe City Kampuno to give Ashinyamata zochita kuti asiye zochita kumgodiko zimene zizizofunika boma kuti lithandizire. So this is my supplementary question to the Honorable Minister of Sports kuti atithandizire anyamata asiye zochita. Koma bora zamveka eti.
Thank you. It sounds like a new question altogether, but if the minister wants to say something, he can, but otherwise, it's a new question that needs him to prepare and to come up with a proper response. But let me now give the minister to try and respond to those questions. Honourable Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have taken note of the question of honorable member from Nzimba.
Nzimba South.
Yeah, Nzimba South. So I think let me ask my office, then I'll come back to him later on.
Thank you. Minister of Sports, there was also a question from Karonga Rufidia. It is the same like the one for Nzimba. They are also asking for their stadium to be finished.
Mr. Speaker, sir, noted.
Thank you. The Minister of Youth is a man of few words. He has taken note, and you'll see more action than his words. Thank you. Leader.
Right Honorable Speaker, having dealt with questions under Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture, I now beg to move that we proceed with questions under Minister of Health and Sanitation. I beg to move.
Thank you, Leader, for that guidance. We now move to questions under the Minister of Health and Sanitation, starting with question 110, coming from Chirazulu Ngurudi. Chirazulu Ngurudi. Whips. I think from today, I'll be asking the whips to be explaining why the members who have questions on that particular day are not present. So take note, whips, that from today, both sides, if your member who has asked a question is not available or present, you will have to explain why he or she has not come. Otherwise, we're not going to entertain questions from these members anymore. They're not serious. Yes, whip, government whip.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, but I wish to put it on record that Honorable Member for Chirazulu Ngurudi has actually written an apology to my office. I thank you.
Okay.